In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number assigned to this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, let's open keypad, and now it's time to provide a secret code, which is *##. Let me just delete it, *##06#, and then call. And as you can see, IMEI number is right in front of you. Tap on OK to go back. And then you can also open IMEI along with serial number via settings. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. And here, under model and hardware, you'll be able to locate the serial number, and here you've got your IMEI number. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.